Good evening, Professor. This is my submission for assignment 2, Logic Programming in Python of Comp 380 course. So, in this assignment, we are given a data set which is in CL log, a knowledge base which is in CL log, and then we are supposed to convert this knowledge base into a PyData which is a Python library, and then we are supposed to run some of the queries, and then we are supposed to compare these queries to in AI space to check if we are getting correct answers or not. Sorry. So first, beginning with the knowledge base. So this knowledge base is actually based on a diagram which we are given in the presentations. So here we are asked if lit L is true and if light L is lit. We are given some of the code for that, and I have written the code for that in PyData log. So the basic thing is that we are supposed to initialize variables, and then we are supposed to give some of the values, and based on that values we are supposed to ask the queries. So first of all, the main thing in this knowledge base is about the L1, light 1 and light 2. So I was very confused in this because I have worked out the solution to all the other problems that were relatively simple. The only thing was that the light 1 and light 2 were supposed to be variables rather than values, because they can be true or false. So we are supposed to declare light 1 and light 2 as variables, and then once we have declared them as variables, then the other cables which are given to us can be declared as the values, and then the facts are to be defined with the plus sign, and the uh, conditional statements are supposed to be defined with not a plus sign, just with that. So, and this is the sign for implications, that if this wire is connected to this wire, then this implies that S2 is up. This is similar to CL log. So after making all these changes in PyData log from CL log to PyData log, we are supposed to run these queries. So first of all, we are supposed to ask if X is up, and the value for this gives us S2 and S3. This is just basically giving us this reason that YX is up, and the reason for that is that S2 and S3 are up. So if we have, I've already searched this, but if I search this again, as you can see, it is just checking through S3, and yes, it is up. So even the AI space is giving us the same answer. For the second question, we are asked if W0 is connected to W, and yes, we are given the solution that it is connected to through W1. What happens if we ask the same question in here? W0 connected to W, and we start this query and we solve it, auto search. Yes, it gives us the solution. Yes, it is connected, and the connection is through W1, so that is also correct. And the third question is that are W1 and W connected? So we are giving that no, they are not connected, and there is none variable between them. What happens if we create that query and search it? So W1 connected to W, oh my bad, W. We run this query, no more paths, so it is false, so we get the same answer. So then we are asking that is y connected to W3. We do the same thing, connect, create the query, and we solve it. Yes, so it gives us answer W2. uh, Although there can be many other paths also, so if it went down any of the other paths except the ones we get false for, that should not be here. Yeah, as you can see, that's not here, but if it went through any other path as well, then as you can see, yes, yes, so it is giving us all the correct variables. And same for lit L. These last two was a little confusing for me because I was giving them as values rather than variables, but after thinking and giving them as variables, when I now search it, uh, lit L, and I search it, yes, we give the answer lit L, and the reason for that is L2, and same light 2 is the reason for that. And if we ask live L, oh, I think yeah, I have to use a capital L rather than small l. So if we use live L here with the capital 1, then we get the answer that we are looking for. Yeah, yeah, so it is only giving us W2, but if we expand it and look it even further, it is true for all these events, all these, and we are getting all these here. So that is my submission for assignment 2. Thank you.